Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at a specific repair part for the popular DJI Mini 3 Pro drone. This is a replacement gimbal camera module, specifically the Pulkjigs 000 model from the brand Pulkjigs. It's designed to be a direct replacement for the original gimbal camera if yours has suffered accidental damage, which unfortunately can happen with drones. The description highlights that this part is made from high-quality materials, aiming for reliability and durability. The idea behind a part like this is to make maintenance less of a headache, allowing you to replace a damaged component rather than needing a whole new drone or a more complex repair. It's presented as a lightweight and durable piece, weighing in at about 50 grams, with dimensions listed around 3 inches by 2 inches by 1 inch, which gives you an idea of its compact size, fitting into the drone structure. One of the key points mentioned is that this gimbal camera needs to be calibrated after installation. This is crucial information for anyone considering this part. It's not a plug-and-play solution that's ready to fly instantly. You will need to perform the necessary calibration steps within the DJI software after you've physically installed the new camera module onto the gimbal mechanism. This is standard procedure for many replacement camera or gimbal parts on drones, but it's important to be aware of the extra step required. The purpose is clear: to replace damaged or unusable parts to restore the drone's functionality. By replacing the broken gimbal camera, the goal is to ensure the drone can capture stable footage again and potentially extend its overall service life and performance. The ease of installation is also mentioned as a benefit, suggesting it's designed to be a straightforward swap for someone comfortable with drone repairs. It's aimed at adults, which makes sense given it's a repair part for a relatively sophisticated piece of equipment. So, if your DJI Mini 3 Pro has taken a tumble and the gimbal camera is the casualty, this Pulkjigs replacement part offers a potential solution. It provides the necessary components to get the camera system working again, assuming you're prepared for the installation and the subsequent calibration process. It's presented as a durable and reliable option for getting your drone back in the air and capturing those smooth shots. Remember, the calibration step is essential to ensure proper function once the physical replacement is complete.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.